My dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and we're coming to you from Berkeley, California, home of one of the greatest universities with over 40,000 students and faculty from all over, a home of research, innovation, and creativity. There are so many sparks of life here in Berkeley. Berkeley has been a center of very, very original thought and thinking time and time again. It is a privilege to be here and to live here. And also with one of the greatest, most temperate of climates. It never gets neither hot nor cold here. Nights are cool, even in the midst of the summer, if I may say so. So let us begin. We're going to be making almond, walnut, tahini energy balls, and we're going to be starting with our alive organic almond butter, made from almonds grown by a California family, by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. Imagine 500 acres of 70,000 trees. That keeps them very, very busy, you can be sure. So let's add in our food processor a heaping tablespoon or 2 of almond butter, the pillar of our business. We've been making it for decades, and it's not just the materiality, but it's the intentionality that counts. And then our walnut butter, made from walnuts, also grown by a family farmer in the Central Valley. So let's give it some couple heaping tablespoons of this magnificent walnut butter. And then to get things going, we're going to be adding a banana, organic of course. And one of the things that I've learned that impart excellent texture and sweetness are chopped medjool dates. These are medjool dates that I have pitted and chopped into small pieces, so we have medjool dates. And then what about some Living Tree oat flakes? Some organic coconut oil to help things bind together. What about some local honey? A hint of maple syrup. And some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Now let's give this a whirl in our blender. And finally, let us add a bit of our Living Tree alive organic tahini, another pillar of our business. So, heaping tablespoon of tahini to put it all together. Maybe another one. Hmm? Well, it looks rather rich and thick, just what we wanted. Now, it looks like it's thickened up very, very nicely indeed. So let's, well, here we have it, my good friends, our almond, walnut, tahini, energy balls. We put them together, put this in your refrigerator for at least a couple hours, and serve them to family, friends, and guests, and rejoice. Rejoice in live organic food, but rejoice most important of all in friends, in families, and in the aliveness at the grassroots of this America. Support and patronize your local family farmers. By all means, please, they need your help, especially they're facing challenge after challenge in these times. Please support your local community garden. If you bring them your compost, every kitchen scrap from your kitchen, your banana peels, carrot tops, avocado rinds, or apple cores, all of those are gold, and go back into the soil. They'll put them in their compost pile and create vivacious, vital, thriving and pulsating living humus, the stuff that makes the plants grow. And then beyond that, there's your local schoolyard. When I grew up in Brooklyn, it was paved with concrete, with 12-foot high fences, steel fences, topped by barbed wire. Why not? Why not every schoolyard, an edible schoolyard, as a national goal? And why not every public park, an edible landscape, filled with beautiful, magnificent, fruit-bearing trees, berry bushes, but of course, every public park and edible landscape. It's all within our power. The reforestation of these United States is the task of our generation. Let us go forward. Support your local family farmers. My privilege to share. Let us go forward to renewal, recreation, regeneration, and redemption. And as it says in the book of Deuteronomy, choose life so that you will live. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below, and maybe even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are gold to us. We want to hear from you. Thank you for permitting me to share.